Hi, in this particular question we're looking at circle theorems, and it's one that's just probably around about grade 6, possibly grade 7 I guess, at GCSE, but it's relatively straightforward providing you know a couple of the different circle theorems. So please do stop the video, have a go at the question and then compare your solution. Okay, so we're being asked to calculate the value of x. In other words, we've got x here is 2x minus 68 is this angle, and 3x plus 30 is equal to this angle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, actually, the angle at the circumference, which is this one here, is going to be half the angle at the center, and that's one of the first circle theorems that you need to maybe make a note of if you're showing your reasoning. So I can write the angle at the circumference, and apologies for my writing here, okay, is half the angle at the center. The angle at the center. Okay, right. So in other words, what we can say with that is that angle ABC, so angle ABC is equal to a half of 2x minus 68. Okay, so let's just work that out. A half of 2x minus 68 is going to be a half of 2x is just x, and a half of minus 68 is minus 34. So what I do know now is this angle is x minus 34. Okay, right, so the next little bit, which again you do need to be aware of as a circle theorem, is that the opposite ends of a cyclic quadrilateral, which is a four-sided shape inside a circle, that side and that angle will add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm not proposing to write all of that down, but we could say that in a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, angle ABC plus angle ADC equals 108 degrees, and that would be fine for this particular video. So let's just plug that in and see where we come up with. Well, angle ABC we've worked out as being x minus 34, and we know that angle ADC has actually been given to us as 3x plus 30, so that's going to be 3x plus 30, and that all totals to be 180 degrees. Okay, so now we're really just going to solve for x. It's just a case of working through the algebra. So we've got x plus 4x is x plus 3x is going to be 4x. Minus 34 plus 30 is going to be minus 4, and that equals 180. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add 4 to both sides. If I add 4 to both sides, I get 4x equals 184. And then if I divide by 4, I'm going to get x equals 46. Okay, and that's my answer to my question. Okay, therefore x equals 46 degrees. Okay, I hope that's been useful to you. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure. I'll always come back to you. Have a look at some of the other videos within the playlist, and I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.